I'm audible to you, Nisha? Yes. मैं भी कर देता हूँ. अनीशा को जो पिंक कीजिए जिसकी मुझे यहाँ पे ढूंढना होगा आज. It's confirmed नियर पे तो हो गई. Guys, can you give me an example for discrete one? Anyone? Discrete example, continuous example, ordinal example, and nominal example. Number of people in the class, okay. Marks, perfect. Subject marks. Industrial example. Where they use in industry. An example of industry. Number of employees, good. Number of projects done, okay. Salary. Salary is continuous. Salary cannot be different. Sales data, which is also your discrete one. Now continuous. Salary. Okay. Okay, salary is continuous. Interest rate. Anything. Profit. Return rate. How much return they have given in terms of profit point of view. Anything for ordinal. Feedback on services. Feedback on loan status. How you feel after your loan get rejected. This type of calls also people get CIBIL score. Nominal, we can take gender, marital status, occupation, qualification. Okay. So in industry, plenty of data is available, guys. It is our job to decide which data I have to work for. Every types of variable have different type of analysis. Okay. So when you work on discrete, we have separate concept for discrete, separate concept for continuous. So further we'll break this variable also. Okay. Now let's take about discrete only. Let's talk about age. A topic name is measure of no one will speak except the people from MSc Stats. Well, what is the meaning of measure of central tendency? I need, you have to explain me what is the meaning of central tendency. This also they all know, mean, median, mode. What is the difference between you and MSc Stats people? She has done MBA, she also know mean, median, mode. They have done engineering, they also know mean, median, mode. You done stats ना? हाँ. कुछ तो difference होना चाहिए. वो difference मुझे जानना है. ठीक है. Central means measure means calculation, or we can measure on scale. Tendency means tend to, or we can say location. What are you finding? Do a calculation to find middle location. ठीक है. Mean median mode क्या करता है? Which give middle location ना? यही बोला था. Next, mean median mode. I will increase level. First look like simple, easy. Second look like difficult. Feel like heavy, stop me. Let me first take a random numbers, guys. Number visual. बहुत बड़े numbers हैं, आप लोग लिख नहीं पाओगे. I have taken 7 numbers. Okay. First, I'll compute average, which is nothing but mean for us. So what do we say? Average salary of a person is 25,000. Then you have to find median. Okay. To solve median, we require 2 steps. Step number 1, we first sort data in ascending order. Then we go for middle value. See, I sorted data. What is the middle number? 25. So if I do with the calculation of Excel, it will give me median. The first step is we sort it, then we find the middle number. Any questions, Shubham? Okay. Mode means most frequent number. If we say 23,000, how much time is coming? 2 times. 25, 1 time. 24, 1 time. So whichever number repeat maximum number of time, that has become for you as mode. Clear? Any questions so far? How you will read this, guys? How you do the interpretation? On an average salary given to any employee working in my company is 25,000. Okay. Median salary is 25, mode is 23. I'll change the number for you. Let's say 24 is also repeating 2 times. 23 comes how many more times? 2 times. 24 comes 4 times. Now question comes, what is mode? The concept of mode is most highest frequent value. Means one number should be repeated maximum number of times. If I have 24 2 times, example, what is mode? 24. But in our scenario here, we have same number, 2 times. Whichever is the smallest number, that will become mode for you. Most frequent and the smallest number. Clear? Middle clear? Middle value? Mean is for average. Any question you have in your mind, guys, please ask. Here we say average salary given to any employee is 25,571. So can I say, guys, average is a number which represent entire column? Yes. So average becomes a benchmark. I write this one for you. Just give me a second. Let me cross check one more thing. Okay. This one. Right. Oh. Done. I'll take the same number. Number of rows remains same, guys. I'm just changing some number for you. Okay. Okay. Now, how to read this? We'll come to that also. What happened over here? So you have written this one, no? Write note. No. Guys, every time whenever I give a note, note is the interview questions. Okay. Average is a average. Represent entire column as a central value. One second, let me write, guys. Write this. Done, everyone. Okay. Next one we have income. Okay. I have taken income numbers. I just changed some numbers, 28 to 2,80,000. Can I say the person who works in company, they also earn in lakhs? There are two employees whose salary is very high, but they are also an employee. But when I compute average, what is the number I'm getting? 96. Okay. What is median? Median remains same. Anything happens to mode? No. Sometime medium also gets changed. Sometime it will change, but in our scenario, it's not changing. So can I say average salary given to any employee, any fresher employee, 96,000? No. Can I say mean get changed as compared to the previous one? Okay. So can I say mean change because of these two values? Can we call these two values are extreme numbers? Okay. Either we call extreme or we call as outliers. Very clear? So whenever we have outliers, okay, mean fail to become the central value. That time central value is median. When there is no outlier. Next point in the note, if there is outlier present, average fail to represent let me write first, guys. I do many mistakes. Represent entire column. So instead of that, we use median. Like this. Done. Right. This is an example for you guys. Done. You're done. Sale. I'm waiting for your link. Some people are writing. 2-3 people write very fast. From first day of SQL till today, you 2 people have not sent me the screenshot. Typing speed. Supply. तो मुझे WhatsApp पे share कर सकते हो आप. Have you improved your rank in SQL? Did you get a time? Yes. How much is it? So hard. You can take the help of Vallabh. He's on the rank of 20,000. 20,000, no? 15,000. Help करना है, solve नहीं करना है. Next, guys. Any doubt in this mean median mode? Second concept inside median, when we have even numbers. Okay. For example, here we have odd numbers on screen. Same number. I just did one. I'll take this one. I'll copy this. I just did this one. Median means first we sort and then we select the middle one. So let me sort this. Did I get sorted? What is the middle number? Let me change. What is the middle value? Two numbers coming in the middle. So here what we can do, here we take average of these two numbers. This becomes for you as your whenever we have this is your even case, you take average of middle two. You write as a note. When we have even case, when we have data in even case, to calculate median, when we have data given in even, to calculate median, we use average of two middle values. Example you want to write, you can write. Just I remove one number. All right, it will be easy for you. Median format will remain same. Either we have outliers, we don't have outliers. Median is not affected by outliers. Median is not affected by negative color. What happened to median? माइनस है ना और कुछ छोटा करना है. Affection will not happen to median. Either you have a negative number or a small number. Median works on middle. Only average will get affected because average works on all values. Median only works on central values. Mode only works on most frequent values. So they are not giving importance to every numbers. So, right? Mode works on give equal importance. Mode give equal importance to every numbers. Sorry, mean give equal importance to every numbers. Done. Next one. Then guys, we're working on same example. So you're not writing this. Done. Okay. Now, when I say range, guys, for example, let us a small scenario. You go to the retail store and you want to purchase a mobile phone. So in the retail store, guys, can I say we have plenty of phones available? So when you enter into the shop, the shopkeeper explain you each and every phone. Why not? Okay. I don't have preference. I'm going into the shop. What you will do? If you work as a salesman, think you're working as a salesman, I'm a customer. I come into your shop. You will explain me each and every phone of the shop. Why he asked the budget? To explain each and every phone will consume time. Fit time consumption. You explain, then he thinks, then he decide if you understand. If not, then he'll go out. What happened to you? Time is waste. Performance decreases. That's why we ask you the budget. What is your range? What is your budget? You tell me. Based on that, I'll pick up the best phone for you. Clear? And the brand also. That's why range say what is your minimum and what is your maximum. What is the minimum value over here? What is the max value over here? Can I call this is the range of my data? So max minus Mean will give you the range coefficient. Clear, easy. Now think second way. What is the age of working in a company? Of working in any company? 18 by the government. After 18, you can go and work. Maximum age? 6. Can I say this is the range of age in an industry? Can I say everywhere we have range? Please. Range in salary, range in age, range in height, range in weight. So every data, wherever there is a number, there is a range. Easy. Right range, right mean and max. Done? Should I repeat? Okay. Next, guys, we have concept called variance. If you found difficult, stop me. Okay. This is slightly look people found difficult, but it is not a difficult. It is very simple. Notation for variance is sigma square summation xi minus x bar whole square divided by n minus 1. I would done for sample variance. If I want to compute standard deviation is sigma, see nothing but square root of sigma square. Sigma square value is what? Summation xi minus x bar whole square divided by n minus 1. Now see, x bar is mean. Xi is value. Okay. Now, what is the column name over here, guys? Income. Income will be treated as x. If I say xi, what is the value for x1? This is my x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, and x7. So I range start from 1 to 7. Each value of xi, I goes from 1 to n. So here we say, first I'll compute each value minus mean. We give it time to do. After that, we have to square also. So here I'm getting 2571, 2000, 4000, and I will do square also. Okay. This look like very bigger number. What can I do? Divide by 1000. Okay. Small हो गया. ऐसे income in K. ये 23K हो जाएंगे. Clear. Each value 23 minus 25 is how much? 23 minus mean. I'm getting as 3. This is your mean. What it is in decimal, guys? How much? 2.6, 2.57. Then I do square of this. How much? 6.61. Same answer. So I just done each value minus mean and we have taken square. After square, what I have to do? Summation. Sum is how much? Then we have to do n minus 1. So this is 45.71. How many rows we have? 7 minus 1, 6. Can you solve and give me the number? Calculation clear? Okay. Now, guys, variance means differences. How much difference we have between values. First value is 23,000 income of Kiran. Second for Rahul. Third for Shubham. Fourth for Vallabh. Every student's income I have written. I want to find on an average how much difference we have between students. Now, if you look at the value, do we have difference of 7,000 between students? Yes or no? 7,000 difference between students? No. So variance give you only the value, but not as per the scale. What is the scale for this? 1,000? This is 1,000. If you want on same scale, you just have to take square root. How much? Can I say between students we have difference of 2,000? So standard deviation gave you answer in terms of same scale, same unit, and variance not. Got the difference between variance and standard deviation. This is with the unit, and this one is without unit. And both are used to find how much difference we have within value. It is your opinion. Either use variance or either use standard deviation. The standard deviation, guys, is nothing but a square root only. If I give you 25, what is the square root? 5 square. Can we call we just doing some type of transformation and decreasing the power of number? So standard deviation only reduce the power of number and also bring data on same scale. Variance give you the higher number without decrease in power. Got the differences? Point number 1. To do one calculation, I'll give you one more example. Do the calculation of this way, guys. Do this calculation. Do a solving by yourself. You have data now. I just decrease the number by 0. Same data, I just remove the 0. Do calculation, meanwhile I take the attendance. Need data. Kiran, data. Sample variance. Because what happens, sample means taking data from population. Okay. If we have 100 people in population and you pick up all 100, it's sample of population. You have 20 people in the classroom. I say pick up 20. So sample is equal to population हो गया. Excel and your numbers may vary. Still small number, I agree. But do one calculation one time for yourself. Done, guys. Calculation clear. Write this. Guys, write the questionnaire in your pen paper and write this data in Excel. Because it's a huge data for calculation. Guys, if you've done this, we'll stop now. We'll repeat tomorrow next time again. Because variance and standard deviation we use every day. Our main job is to reduce variance only in the company. Write data properly. I'll repeat numbers later. Any one single number wrong, your answer is wrong. To whom you have given a mouse? If you are getting a time tomorrow, can you do same calculation mean x minus h bar and come? If you get a time, I will explain how we use the balance. This is the example of the math measure. Out of 20 students, Anisha, done for you? मतलब अभी आप ऑफलाइन ही आओगे ना? और ये